think going from small Shaka to grown Shaka was a very it's a natural progression, obviously, but the way I had to display it was physically putting on the sides. So when I hit Jimmy in because that's sometimes season 1, the years I tried it for me, iLembe, and then in season 2 I really got a chance to put on a lot of sides, but it's more than just physical. And I think it really helped us to take time between season 1 and season 2, and I felt myself as a man and cool and mature, so it's a beautiful, beautiful process to watch him go from being a prince to a king to a king. Yeah, so the old Shaka, you see the man Shaka, so you can expect everything that we know about him in history. I think in season 1 we covered a lot of the stuff that wasn't really spoken about in history, about him as a father, but now we really get to see him as a king and remember the history and his legacy. So naye he had to keep things under wraps. It was one of those things which not a lot of people knew it, and their relationship mostly takes place, as you could see in the trailer, at night. So she was snuck in and out, organized by the mother, but it was never public. I mean, the king never got married or had anything like that. But as a man, I mean, at some point. I think season 2 is definitely the season to watch, especially for King Shaka. In season 1, it was more about the setup. We got to learn about Unyambos, we got to learn about Uzwide and all the kingdoms as a whole. And Shaka was a child for most of it. So I think this second season really focuses a lot more on Shaka's story, and we get to know who the king was as he rose through the ranks, from becoming a king of a small kingdom to becoming a king. As now, but we'll see. I mean, I think it's a shared space as much as the show is called Shaka iLembe, but I think it's a story about all the kingdoms at the same time. And what is chiefs without pirates, without sundowns? We all need each other. You can't be great alone. One person must beat, like the way chiefs beat pirates, to be great.